I'm going to show you how you can easily share calendars in Outlook for Mac. At the bottom of the navigation pane, select the calendar icon. Now select the calendar you want to share. Then, on the Organize tab, choose Calendar Permissions. In the Calendar Properties box, choose Add User. In the search box, enter the name of the person you want to share your calendar with. When you see their name appear in the list, select it and then choose Add. In the Calendar Properties box, select the permission level down arrow and choose the permission level to assign to the person you added. Note that the settings for read, write, delete, and other options change based on your chosen permission level. Next, check the boxes that apply in the read, write, delete, and other sections, and then select OK. Select the calendar icon at the bottom of the navigation pane to remove permissions from someone you no longer want to share your calendar with. After that, select the calendar from which you want to remove their permissions. On the Organize tab, choose Calendar Permissions. In the Calendar Properties box, choose Remove, then OK.